schedule has been suspended because warnings have recently been issued. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, northern Clay County in northern Texas until 7:45 p.m. At 6:56 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located near Eureka, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado in Gulf Balsazeo. Source, weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Eureka, Hastings, Abington, Sugden, and southeastern Eureka Lake. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.